150 years.
Kimberly-Clark is celebrating 150 years, and they've taken care of me and my wife and my family, and I'm very proud to say I'm a Kimberly-Clark employee.
The products that we make, the tissue, the baby care, the child care, the wet wipes, all of those things go to make the world a better place.
I believe in Kimberly-Clark, and our people make the difference.
My hope for Kimberly-Clark is that Kimberly-Clark will continue to invest in people to continue to be successful and have another 150 years.
So what I hope for is a better tomorrow, and everybody around the world having access to our products that make their lives a little bit easier.
Here at Kimberly-Clark, I like the fact that we work safe, we work together, we strive as a team to accomplish goals.
The best way to learn is hands-on experience. Nobody will ever leave you behind or never let you fall.
Kimberly-Clark gives us a hope that there's still good things to come.
Kimberly-Clark, they take care of their people. They've done it from day one, and they can provide for generations to come.
I've been at Kimberly-Clark 25 years. I love Kimberly-Clark. It's an awesome company.
And it's a great company to work for.
And with 150 years, we're looking forward to 150 more.